Hello and welcome to English Stories. Today we are going on an exciting journey around the world. We will learn about different countries through fun riddles. Each riddle will give you clues about a country, and you will guess the country and its language. Are you ready? Let's start our adventure. I am an island nation with a famous tower. My cherry blossoms bloom in the spring hour. I have sushi and sumo, and Mount Fuji too. What country am I? Can you guess who? Did you guess it? Yes, it's Japan. The language spoken here is Japanese. I am known for my carnival in the Amazon rainforest. I have Christ the Redeemer, standing tall as the best. My soccer is famous and I dance samba all night. What country am I? Guess with all your might. That's right, it's Brazil. The language spoken here is Portuguese. I am the land of cheese and wine, oh so fine. My Eiffel Tower shines bright, it's truly divine. With baguettes and croissants, I'm a foodie's delight. What country am I? Can you get it right? Correct. It's France. The language spoken here is French. I have pyramids that touch the sky. The Nile River flows, oh my. With ancient history and mummies galore. What country am I? Can you name me for sure? Yes, it's Egypt. The language spoken here is Arabic. I am famous for pizza and pasta so great, with a leaning tower that's hard to state. In the heart of Europe, I have art and romance. What country am I? Give it a chance. You got it, it's Italy. The language spoken here is Italian. I am vast with a wall that stretches long, with pandas and tea where traditions are strong. My Great Wall is famous, a sight to behold. What country am I? Be brave and be bold. That's right, it's China. The language spoken here is Mandarin. I'm known for my kangaroos and the Great Barrier Reef with Sydney Opera House. It's a sight beyond belief. I'm down under where the sun shines bright. What country am I? Guess it right. Yes, it's Australia. The language spoken here is English. I have tacos and fiestas, colors so bright, with ancient ruins and beaches of white. The Day of the Dead is a special sight. What country am I? Can you guess it right? Correct, it's Mexico. The language spoken here is Spanish. I have spices and curry, so tasty and nice, with Bollywood films that entice. The Taj Mahal stands in beauty so grand. What country am I? Can you understand? That's right, it's India. The languages spoken here include Hindi and English. I have maple syrup and hockey games too, with mountains and lakes and nature's view. I speak English and French in my land so wide. What country am I? Take a guess with pride. Yes, it's Canada. The languages spoken here are English and French. Great job. You did amazing guessing all the countries from the riddles. Remember, learning about different countries is not only fun, but also helps us understand the world better. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more.